According to the traditional Chinese medicine (TCM), the liver, which represents the main detoxification organ, functions optimally between 1 am and 3 am. Therefore, we need to ensure that proper conditions are present for effective detoxification to occur. One requirement for proper detoxification is that we are actually sound asleep well before this time. And, one more thing, it's extremely important for all of us to have enough blood and bodily fluids for the detoxification process, so that the body doesn't become overloaded with harmful substances, which tend to be released as we detox. The experts also claim that proper and regular detoxification can also lead to a healthy metabolism, which in turn can lead not only to a lowered toxin burden but also faster fat burning for those wanting to manage their weight. There are certain teas and drinks you can consume before bedtime that can potentially help with this important bodily function as outlined below. Great bedtime beverages for detoxification. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is awesome and very useful herb to help with many important functions. This powerful and super healthy herb is very useful especially if you have had a large meal at night, since it helps the digestive process through its large quantities of essential oil content, such as menthol and menthone. Peppermint overcomes food stagnation as a symptom of overeating that can lead to disturbed sleep. Since the liver is also involved in this digestive process, peppermint makes a great tea to help the liver with its digestive and detoxification functions. Lemon water. Many people around the world drink lemon water every day, which is a good thing. You've probably heard that lemon water is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. So, if using lemon slices with the peel, ensure you are using organic lemons to avoid pesticide exposure. At night, lemon water helps purge toxins out of your blood. The experts also say that lemon water works best when it is warm, as cold drinks can cause a shock to the body and take heat from your digestive system to warm up. So help your body in advance by drinking warm fluids. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, first of all, you should know that this tea is mildly bitter due to its sesquiterpene lactone content, which helps the liver prime its detoxification pathways. And, some experts think that chamomile has a nervine action on the body, meaning that it is used to calm the nerves to help us wind down and fall asleep. And yes, you should also know that this herb has anti-inflammatory effects which further aid the body in dealing with intermediates of detoxification, which can cause higher than normal levels of inflammation in the body. Jujube fruit. Jujube fruit, first of all, you should know that this is a Chinese herb that helps to nourish liver blood again required for detoxification and fat burning. And, this super healthy fruit also helps to calm the mind, which is perfect to help ease our stressed out brain so that we can get the good quality sleep needed for proper liver functioning. This herb also strengthens the spleen pancreas, which in Chinese medicine can get affected by an overloaded liver, leading to improper digestion of foods. Oat tea. Yes, there's oat tea. The experts say that oat tops and seeds make a great nutritional tea. This tea is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and even proteins called avenine, which are helpful for phase 1 and phase 2 of liver detoxification, as many nutrients are consumed in this process. Additionally, oat is another nervine herb which helps calm the mind and bring balance to our emotions, as it is considered to be a nervous system rebuilder. And, one more thing, you should drink plenty of water and other fluids. This is also something the bedtime teas above can help with, as they all will add to your daily fluid intake. Also, remember that adequate sleep is essential for proper organ functioning.